Hello friends, how are you? This question we have taken from AP class 10th. ये question हमने AP से लिया है class 10th की. How many terms of AP 24, 21, 18 and so on must be taken so that their sum is 78? तो देखते हैं solution. This is Samir and you are watching my scholars. If you are new on our channel, please like and subscribe the channel. So let us see the solution. Solution देखते हैं. First term AP is 24, 21, 18 and so on. Whose first term is 24? This is called first term. So first term is equal to A. First term is denoted by A is equal to 24 and common difference. Common difference is considered as D, which is equal to 21 minus 24. Second term minus first term, that is equal to minus 3. So D is common difference is minus 3. Let the sum 78 is of n terms. There are n terms. Let there are n terms whose sum is 78. We have a formula. हमारे पास एक फॉर्मूला है Sn is equal to n upon 2 number of term within bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So this way we shall take this formula, substituting the values of A, N and D in the formula. Formula में value रखते हैं. So Sn is 78, which is equal to Sn 78 is equal to n upon 2. The value of A is 24 plus n minus 1 and the value of D is minus 3. This is the value of D. So this way 78 plus 2 will multiply here into 2 is equal to n into 24 to the 48 plus 3n. So plus into minus is equal to minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. This is 3n. Minus into minus is equal to plus. 3 ones are 3. 78 to the 156. Is equal to n into 48 plus 3, 51. 51 minus 3n. This way we multiply this n with this whole, so that is 156 is equal to, हम देखते हैं कि ये 51n minus 3n square, इस सबको यहाँ लाते हैं in LHS. So when we bring this all in LHS, we shall get 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. We are getting a quadratic equation. So we may also divide this by 3. So when dividing by 3, we shall get n square here and here 17 n plus 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 52 is equal to 0. Now we have got a quadratic equation. We shall solve this quadratic equation to find the value of n. Solving this quadratic equation, n square minus 17n plus 52 is equal to 0. So we may take two factors of 17, which are 13 4s are 52 and 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. So n square minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. We shall take common from here n. So this way there will be n and n minus 13 within bracket. From here we can take common 4. So within bracket n minus 13. We take same thing common. Here this should be same is equal to 0. So n minus 4 into n minus 13 is equal to 0. This way we have got n minus 4 is equal to 0 or n minus 13 is equal to 0, i.e. the value of n here is equal to 4 and the value of n here n is equal to 13. So in both cases when n is 4 means that 4 terms का sum भी 78 होगा और 13 terms का sum भी 78 होगा. Let us check. Sn, taking Sn is equal to n is 4, n upon 2 is that 4 upon 2. Doing directly 4 upon 2 within bracket 2a, 2 into a, value of a is 24 plus 4 minus 1 3 into d, the value of d is minus 3. So Sn is equal to 2. 24 2s are 48 plus 3 3s are 9 plus into minus is equal to minus 9. So that is 2 into 48 minus 9 is equal to 39. And Sn is equal to 39 to the 78. First case we have solved. Means that the value of n is equal to 4 is correct. Now taking second case. When n is equal to 13. N is equal to 13. Sn is equal to 13 upon 2 within bracket 2 into a, 2 into 24 plus 13 minus 1 means that 12 into d is minus 3. So that is 13 upon 2 within bracket 24 to the 48 minus into plus is equal to minus 12 3 the 36. 13 upon 2 Sn 48 minus 36 is equal to 12. So Sn is equal to 13 upon 2 into 12. 2 6 are 12. 13 7 are 78. Both answers are correct, 4 and 13. So this way, for the value of n is equal to 4 and n is equal to 13, in both cases we get the sum 78. Please like and subscribe our channel and also write something in comment box. How do you feel about our videos? Thank you for watching My Scholars.